Nathan. No, it's too loud. Go. Everywhere, go. Right there. Come this way, you know.
I'd like to welcome everybody aboard the Six Flags in Texas Railroad. This train is pulled by an authentic steam engine born in 1901. She'll actually use about 100 to 200 gallons of water per hour, depending on the engineer. I'd like to ask everybody to please remain seated at all times while the train's in motion.
Nathan.
Even though she's 115 years old, she does have very good brakes, and I would not want to see anyone thrown forward or off the coach if the engineer had to stop real quick. I'd like to also ask everybody to please keep all parts of your body inside the coach. Sir, up there with the hairy leg hanging out, sir. Oh, ma'am, I am so sorry. No, seriously, need to keep everything inside the coach. I wouldn't want to see you lean out to look at something and get your head locked open, or reach out and grab something and have your arm broken. It'll ruin your day. Also, please do not throw anything off the train, such as trash, brothers, sisters, boyfriends, girlfriends, anything like that. And one more thing, if you bring it on the train with you, please take it back off with you. If you don't want it, we don't want it. And I gotta clean it up at the end of the day. Now, if you look over to the right, you'll see the black and red tracks of Pandemonium. That is a free spin coaster. And if you want the thing, I'll give you a little tip in case you don't know. If you want it to spin faster, put more weight on one side. It'll spin a little bit better. Now over to the left is a cloud bouncer, which is also a spinning ride that you spin yourself, kind of like a teacup. It goes up 2 stories and you can see the entire park from up there. And over to the right, get ready to wave big. We got our loneliest crew. Because, I mean, not many people want to get wet today, but that is Aquaman splash down. It will get you soaking wet. They're getting a little bit more guests as it gets a little warmer. Now on the left and on the right is Bugs Bunny's Boomtown. That's a great place to bring the kiddos, get them good and worn out, and everybody gets in bed early tonight. Alright, y'all, we're fixing to go through a stinky old tunnel. It's full of spiders. So it's kind of a tradition out here that everybody yell as loud as you can when your coach goes into the tunnel. That scares off the spiders and takes your mind off that nasty smell. So everybody get ready. Now first coach, get ready. I'll cue you up. Take a deep breath as your coach goes in. All right, scream loud, loud, loud. Second coach. That was pretty good. I saw spiders running everywhere and no one noticed that nasty smell. I know you didn't. Well, maybe you did, but oh well. Anyway, we get to the top of the hill. You'll see one of the finest accommodations out here at Six Flags Over Texas. It's the Hobo Hilton. It's actually, you look up through the hole in the roof and you can see 5 stars. Also, I heard our friend Zeke is taking his monthly shower in a barrel over here on the right, so ladies, don't look at Zeke. He gets a little embarrassed. All right, lady in the green, I saw you checking out Zeke's sleek physique. Now on the right, we got a race going on. These 3 fellas is Juan, Pablo, and Montoya. And it looks like the second one's not racing much. And on the right, as we go down under the tracks of the bobsled, you'll see the roundhouse. That's where we keep the trains at night when they're not in service. And on the left, you'll see the mighty Caddo Indians. Everybody wave over to the left of them Indians. We'll see if we can get their wave back. Wave big. They're not going to wave back because actually they're made of plastic. Now on the right, you'll see the world's largest horse trough. Hey, they're bringing the second train out. Actually, it's not a horse trough. It is the log flume ride, world's first, developed by the engineers Six Flags Over Texas. Even though Walt Disney says he did it first, he didn't. We did.
You barely even get wet.
Now through the bamboos, if you can see, is the Titan over there, tallest roller coaster in the state of Texas, also fastest, goes 85 miles an hour. And I'd like to let you know that the railroad you're riding on is the only attraction that is still left in this park from opening day back in 1961. All right, we are coming to the Johnson Creek Station, and you got a choice to make. You can either stay on the train, or you can get off the train, but you can't do both, and you can't do neither either. Please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop, and the engineer gives us one short signal on the steam whistle, which tells us he's not going to move the train anymore, because he's going to make sure he clears that bridge that goes across there. If not, the exhaust from the train will actually set it on fire. We wouldn't want to do that. So everybody wait for the whistle. Wait for the whistle. Wait for it. Wait. Okay, you make it off the train. The exit.
Do you like it? You know?
Such as trash, brothers, sisters, boyfriends, girlfriends, anything like that. And if you bring it on the train with you, please take it back off with you. If you don't want it, we don't want it. Now I got to stay late and clean it up. And to the left over there, you will see the new Texas Giant, which takes you up 17 stories, drops you down an 80-degree angle. Well, 79-degree angle. What's 1 degree when you're going that fast? Then it throws you into 2 flat bank 90-degree curves. Personally, my favorite roller coaster out here. On the right, you will see the Chaparral antique cars. They were built by the Chaparral Motor Car Company of Cleburne, Texas. At the turn of the 20th century, they were a hot thing on the road. Until a man named Ford came along with a little bit better way of doing things, and he put them at a distance. And over on the left, you'll see the Shockwave coaster with 2 consecutive vertical loops. And now the new Revolution virtual reality coaster, which is a gizmo thing that goes across your face, and it's a virtual reality. Makes you feel like you're flying a fighter jet as the coaster goes through its moves. And you also see the Six Flags Over Texas Speedway. I mean, those are go-karts. I don't need to say anything else about that. No, go-karts are fun. If you look over to the left, over the other side of the Shockwave and the weeds and bushes, you'll see the most dangerous attraction in these parks, Interstate 30. And over here on the right, you will see the Superman Tower of Power. Tallest ride of it. Drops you back down, takes you up, holds you, and then drops you back down again. Pretty cool ride. And to the left, you'll see a ghost town. That's Chips, Ace, and Double Down playing that card game they've been playing since a week ago Thursday. And I keep telling them to please feed that horse. A little bit skinny. Left, and on the right, and here in a minute above us, and a little bit below us, you'll see the tracks of the Runaway Mine Train. Built as the world's first tubular steel roller coaster. Goes, has 3 lifts on it, goes through a saloon, and then down in underneath the water. And just past the Runaway Mine Train on the right, you'll see the tracks of the Mini Mine Train. Yes, and our bigger chickens. We're now going into the red and blue tracks of Mr. Freeze. They'll shoot you up that tunnel backwards, 0 to 70 miles an hour in under 4 seconds. And you see the upside down yellow tracks of the Batman. If you ride that thing, make sure your shoes are on tight. They'll fly off. That is from personal experience. Yes, the first time I rode it, I lost my shoes, both of them. Had to go home. Couldn't walk around the park barefooted. Now we're coming to the Boomtown Depot, and you have a decision to make. You can either stay on the train or you can get off, but you can't do both. You can't do neither either. But I'd like to ask everybody to please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop and the engineer gives us one short signal on the steam whistle. That lets us know he's not going to move the train anymore and it's safe to get off. So everybody please stay seated and wait for the whistle. Wait for the whistle.
That's not the one you said before.
Wait for it. Wait. Wait a little longer. Wait. Okay, you can get off the train. The exit is to your right and toward the back.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
Thank you.